As this week is the SDG week, this is a great opportunity to really learn about the SDG and life on land and also being part of the climate action. And by coming here, we're learning more about sustainability and gardening. With the ability to do it in live experiences like this, in action, it helps the kids to understand what it means to care for plants, what it means to conserve water, what it means to appreciate living things by just taking part in actions like this in school.
Today we had our grade 1 and grade 3 students here by the pool making connections with SDG number 14, Life Below Water. We had a particular focus today on plastic pollution. One of the challenges is maybe the SDGs are these really big concepts. And we're trying to think about how we can put them at a level which not just provokes some thinking or creates curiosity for the students, but also leads to what action that they can take to have a positive impact on the world.
Today, the students are working on the second part of a 2-class engineering design challenge. Last class, they focused on understanding what the problem with deforestation is and how it impacts both the global community as well as what's happening here in Vietnam. They focused on designing the build, the prototype. So today in part 2, that's the noise we're happening behind us. The students are building their designs, and that at the end of class we're going to test to see if their machines that they've built to be able to seed or plant multiple seeds for trees at once are successful.
It connects to the Life on Land one because we're trying to take care of the trees and the environment.
I think the SDGs are important because they are a way to make our lives better and Earth better.
We go! Yeah!